Friends, as a devoted disciple of the Satya Yoga Healing Center in Sainik Colony, Jammu, I am honored to introduce our revered Yoga Guruji, Dr. Satish Yograj. He is a renowned medical specialist and a compassionate life coach with expertise in psychological healing and a nutrition specialist. By the grace of the Almighty God, he has the experience of so many years of transcending this mortal existence in deep meditation, and has achieved great heights in the field of diving into the subconscious realm of heart and brain of people in suffering. With profound wisdom and compassionate guidance, Guruji is always eager to help people who approach him. He always shows us the way in our lives, and leads us on a transformative journey towards holistic healing, inner peace, and spiritual enlightenment. Hello, I'm Aditi, a yoga instructor at Satya Yoga Healing Center. I am going to present today's video on behalf of our Guruji on the topic of relaxation and stress management by the process of watching scenes of nature and its vividity on a TV screen. Friends, this concept of healing has not been known to anyone till date. Healing through visualization of nature scenes on a TV screen. Guruji, Dr. Satish Yograj has created this healing method through years of his experience as a holistic healer and by conducting scientific studies at the center. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant factor all around, fueled by constant connectivity, information overload, and societal pressures. Balancing work, family, and personal responsibilities amidst rapid changes can lead to anxiety, burnout, and health issues. Effective stress management through mindfulness, self-care, and seeking support is essential for well-being and resilience. But very few people spare time for these stress handling methods. Today so many of us have become very fond of sitting for hours and watching TV. We watch TV for so many reasons. People watch TV for a wide range of entertainment options, including shows, movies, sports events, and documentaries. Many see TV for access to news programs, documentaries, and educational content. For some people, watching TV has become a habit or part of their daily routine, providing familiarity and comfort. According to various surveys and studies, the average time spent watching TV per day ranges from 2 to 4 hours, with some demographic groups watching more or less. Today the trend for what we watch on TV has changed a lot. People often view stressful TV content such as news coverage of current events, particularly those involving crises, conflicts, or disasters. Additionally, intense dramas, crime shows, and reality TV competitions with high stakes and drama are also becoming a source of stress for viewers. With the prevalence of streaming services, binge-watching intense series or documentaries on topics like true crime or societal issues can also contribute to feelings of stress or anxiety. So, in today's fast-paced world, where many people are constantly bombarded with stimuli and stressor from so many sources, the simple act of watching nature scenes on TV for a couple of minutes on a daily basis can provide a much-needed respite and contribute to the healing of both the body and mind. Being in nature offers numerous benefits for both body and mind. The tranquility and beauty of natural surroundings reduces stress hormones, lower blood pressure, and boost mood. Additionally, exposure to green spaces has been linked to improved mental clarity, enhanced creativity, and increased feelings of well-being. So, nature has a profound calming effect on human beings. But even virtual exposure to natural environments evokes similar physiological and psychological responses in our bodies. Firstly, viewing nature scenes on TV induces a state of relaxation by triggering our parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest, or the rejuvenating and recovery response. The serene imagery of lush forests, flowing rivers, or tranquil meadows has been shown in various scientific studies to reduce heart rate, lower blood pressure, and decrease levels of stress hormones like cortisol. This relaxation effect helps to alleviate stress and tension, promoting a sense of inner peace and relaxation. As a result, individuals experience a sense of calmness and tranquility, allowing their bodies to unwind and recharge. Moreover, watching nature scenes also have therapeutic effects on the mind. Immersing oneself in the beauty of nature through television shifts focus away from worries and anxieties, providing a temporary escape from the pressures of everyday life. In today's fast-paced and often overwhelming world, many people find solace in temporarily disconnecting from their daily stressor and immersing themselves in the beauty of natural landscapes. This diversion allows the individuals to recharge and rejuvenate, allows the mind to rest and recuperate, fostering mental clarity and emotional well-being. This mental break reduces feelings of anxiety and mental fatigue. Additionally, exposure to nature has been linked to improved mood, increased feelings of happiness, and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. Furthermore, virtual nature experiences on TV can serve as a form of cognitive restoration, which is our ability to know and understand the things around us. The visual richness and complexity of natural landscapes captures attention without requiring conscious effort, allowing the brain to enter a state of effortless attention known as soft fascination. This gentle engagement with nature scenes has been shown in studies to replenish cognitive resources, enhance concentration, and alleviate mental fatigue, thereby promoting mental rejuvenation and productivity. In today's digital age, where many individuals spend a significant amount of time indoors and glued to screens, nature programming on TV can offer a convenient and accessible means of reconnecting with the natural world. While nothing can replace the restorative power of direct interaction with nature, virtual experiences through television can still provide valuable relaxation and healing benefits, helping people find solace and balance amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. So, friends, let's now refresh our spirit, unwind our mind, and recharge our soul in the soothing embrace of nature's tranquil beauty.